Marginal cost is also known as variable cost. Variable cost per unit will never change. PV is all about the relation between contribution and sales into 100. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Abhilash Chandra from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to all the students for the second session of this chapter. Before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe the channel and like the button if you really like this video and the sessions. Let's go with the second session of the fifth chapter, that is marginal costing. Last session, I told you about the formulas and we have solved the 2016 question paper. Let's go with the next one. That is, again, we have the same kind of a problem where slight differences in the prices. Let's go with the second problem. A company producing a single article, again, is the same way. That is, you have a single article at rupees 100 each. The marginal cost, I told you marginal cost is also known as variable cost of production is rupees 40 per unit and the fixed cost is rupees 60,000 per annum. Earlier we had 40,000 per annum, now it is 60,000 per annum. See, I'll tell you, the questions will be just like this. That is, numbers here and there, it will actually change. Now we are supposed to calculate PV ratio, break-even sales, sales to earn a profit of rupees 80,000, profit at sales rupees 2 lakh, new BEP if the selling price is reduced by 10%. Now I know that many of you, those who have seen the first problem, how we have solved, you will solve it by yourself. But this is for people who have not gone with the first problem. Let's go with this problem here. When we go with the first one, PV ratio. What is the formula of PV ratio? PV is all about the relation between contribution and sales into 100. That is C by S into 100. We know that PV is also calculated as sales minus variable cost divided by sales into 100. Now, here I can go with per unit also, that is called selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit divided by selling price per unit into 100. So here what happens is, I'll get 100 minus, now my variable cost is marginal cost. So variable cost is how much? 40 divided by 100 into 100. So 100 once and 100 once it is done. So 100 minus 40 is how much? 60. So my PV is equal to 60%. PV is always written in percentage. Please do remember, PV is always represented with percentage. So the next one is break-even sales. Let's go with break-even sales. Now, BEP in sales is equal to, what is the formula? I told you the formula is very, very important. If you don't know the formulas, please watch the first session of marginal cost. You will get all the formulas. Now, BEP we have, that is PV is always in the denominator. We have, what is the middle alphabet? E. After E, what will come? F. F means fixed cost. Fixed cost. Now, we are supposed to know what is a fixed cost for us. Now, fixed cost, let's check the question here. We have 60,000 is the fixed cost per annum. So, we'll write here 60,000 divided by, what is your PV now? Your PV is 60%. So, we'll write here 60% is equal to, now 60 divided by 60%. 60,000 divided by 60%. So we got 1 lakh rupees. Here we'll write 1 lakh rupees. Without writing the rupees, your answer is not correct. So BEP sales is how much? 1 lakh rupees. So we are done with the BEP as well. Let's go with the next question. What is that question they are asking us? They are asking us the question, that is sales. So I'll just erase everything now. Okay, now sales to earn a profit of 80,000. Profit at sales rupees 2 lakh. I told you, for solving these type of a formula, you are supposed to use the universal formula. I told you about ACT, Abhilash Chandra tricks. Now what is this ACT? Is all if Abhilash Chandra tricks for marginal costing is PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Now PV already we have found, that's the reason we are not multiplying with 100. So what is my PV here? My PV is 60% is equal to, what is F here? Now fixed cost will never change. Even if the value changes, the fixed cost will never change. Now fixed cost is 60,000. I'll write here 60,000. Now, what is the question? Sales to earn a profit of 8,000 means sales we don't know, but profit is 80,000 rupees. We are supposed to find what? Sales. Now here, plus, what is the profit? Profit is 80,000 divided by, now sales I don't know. The sales I'll put it here. So S is equal to 60 plus 80 is 1,40,000 divided by 60%. Never put just 60, it is 60%. So we need to calculate this. We have 1,40,000 divided by 60%. So it is 2,33,333. Sales is equal to 2,33,333.33 rupees. After decimal, you go with 2 digits, it's more than enough. So we got the sales this much. That means what? If you get a profit of 80,000, you will actually get the sales of how much? 2,33,333.33 rupees. So we got this. Let's go with the next one. The next one is what? Profit at sales of rupees 2 lakh. That means what? Profit I don't know, but sales is 2 lakh. So what will be the profit? That is what you are supposed to calculate. Now I'll just delete everything here. Let's go with the profit now. Again, the same formula which you are supposed to use. The formula is the same. What is it? PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Now PV is how much? We know that it is 60% is equal to F. It will not change. 60,000. Now plus profit we don't know. So we'll write here profit. See, what is this question says is profit we don't know, but sales is how much? 2 lakh. So here profit I don't know, sales is how much? 2 lakh. Now I'll go with cross multiply here. So that is 2 lakh into 60% is equal to whatever is here, we are supposed to write 60,000 plus profit. Now take 2 6 is 12, so it is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Now this 60,000 will come here, minus 60,000 is equal to profit. Now here what happens is 1,20,000 minus 60 is how much? 60,000 rupees. 60,000 is equal to profit. So whenever I make a sale of 2 lakh, what will be my profit? My profit would be 60,000. So I'm done with my second, third, fourth also. Now let's go with the fifth one, that is new BEP. What is it? New BEP. Now understand here, BEP we have calculated, we got how much? 1 lakh. Now they are telling us you need to find new BEP if the selling price is reduced to 10%. What was the selling price here? The selling price was 100. Okay. Now what has happened? They are asking us to find the new BEP where selling price is reduced to 10%. So 100 minus 100 into 10 by 100. If you go with this 100 and 100, it is cancelled. 100 minus 10, that is your 90 rupees. So this is our new selling price. Through this new selling price, I need to find my new BEP. So what will be the new BEP? Understand? Selling price is how much? 90. Variable cost is how much? Variable cost per unit will never change. I'll repeat, variable cost per unit will never change. Now my variable cost here we have is 40. Now I'll go with my PV. To find new BEP, I need to find PV first. So PV is equal to S minus V divided by S into 100. So is equal to 90 minus 40 divided by 90 into 100. If I go with this, 90 minus 40 is how much? We got here 50 divided by 90 into 100. 1010 cancel. So 500 divided by 9. 500 divided by 9. So I got 55.55%. So it is how much? My PV is equal to 55.55%. Now this is my new PV. What is it? This is my new PV. So through that, I need to find new BEP. Now what is the BEP formula? BEP is equal to, now I told you the denominator is always PV. After E what will come? Fixed cost. So fixed cost. I told you fixed cost will never change. So my fixed cost in the problem is how much? 60,000 divided by, what is my new PV now? That is 55.55%. So 55.55% is equal to, let's go with the calculator. Please do have calci when you are solving costing. Here 60,000 divided by 55.55%. Now I got here, that is 1,08,010. 1,08,010 point 80 paisa. That is what the thing is. So the new BEP, if the selling price is reduced to 10%, would be how much? 1,08,010 rupees 80 paisa. So this is what my answer is. So the minute I finish this, definitely I'll get 15 on 15. So hope you people are able to understand this. If you have doubt, what is that you should do is, you need to go back to the session from the first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, like that you are supposed to go. Playlist is also prepared for you people. You can watch everything for free. Vidhyaashram is the only college which does everything for the students for free. So we have got 1,08,010 rupees 80 paisa. That is what we have got the answers. Now, any doubt, anywhere you have students, please do call us. We're always there to help you. Thank you so much. I'll see you when I see you.